Sisimula ang ating video at ayan, nag-aim mo.
Second life.
An enemy has been
At
slain.
ako ang naging
Launch
MVP.
attack.
Tignan nyo kasi.
Ally has been slain. Launch attack. Request backup.
Okay nga pala, nakuha ko na yung buff. Okay.
Request backup.
Powerful shadow.
Bakit ang dilim? Match beta.
Request backup.
I do see a bright future.
Request backup.
Kinangina mo! Saksak
Di
mo
kayo
ako!
tumutulong.
Takilaw, sige!
Ako tumutulong sa inyo. Kayo naman.
Ally has
Hey, patayin mo, Tamos. Patayin mo, Tamos. Nice, nice. Nice one, nice one.
I have no
Yay.
tolerance for betrayal.
Daddy's girl. Baka ako yung daddy mo ah.
Doing the things that I never would know. Treat me like what's this. Don't get me dirty.
Oy, turtle. Walang pa ka dyan. Gusto ko turtle. Oh my goodness, ba't naging lord? Oh, kasi siguro dito. Bakit? Wapak. Ayun na sila. Wapak. Agad na, no. Ba naman yan?
Was a relief.
Oh,
Could have a dark
panalo
side.
tayo guys, panalo. O diba? Diba panalo tayo? Ang galing.
victory.
Sana MVP. Wala. Eh, nakatakas na tayo sa Grandmaster 2. Ngayon naman tatakas tayo sa Grandmaster 1. O, diba? Eh, sino MVP? Nice one. Nice one, my best friend.